Hi, this is Megan Waite doing my final presentation for Business 250, online business creation, and I decided to do an affiliate site. And um, based on the exercises we did at the beginning, I determined to do a blog that acts as an affiliate site for tall women's clothes because they are hard to find. I know from personal experience. My URL is tallgirltroubles.com, and this is not perfect, but it's a work in progress, and it comes straight to my blog. I have one affiliate merchant right now. It's called Beta Brand. I hope to get approved for a second one for shoes for tall women in the near future. This is the home page right now. I've got a page where you can go to save 20% off that vendor. I've got an About Me page. There we go. You can read all about me. There's my contact page. Really simple right now. It does need a little bit more polishing, I think. And I've got a privacy policy page that I won't bother to show you because it's kind of self-explanatory. The tools that I will be using to help the site prosper will be Google Analytics, and I need to spend some more time really delving into that this semester. I felt like I just scratched the surface. It was a really busy semester for me. And I would like to continue with this site for a while and see if I can't expand on it and write a little bit more. And anyway, this is me. This is my final presentation. It's been great getting to know everybody. Good luck, and I look forward to viewing your presentations as well. Thanks.